Hey, I'm gonna just try to shoot a video of how I transfer a new colony of ant into a brand new formicarium and how things are set up for ant keepers. Okay, this is the colony. This is a carpenter ant. See the big one there? That is the queen. Let me see if I can zoom in. Let's put some light. Yep. So this is Componatus parius. It's a carpenter ant. Right. Okay, so this is the formicarium. All formicariums will come with the nest area and also the outworld. Outworld is where they forage for food, right? Okay, but in the nest here, the ants need humidity for the eggs and the larva, or they will dry up and die. So the hydration for this particular model of formicarium is over here. This is the water. Here's a sponge here. So actually it goes upside down into this, and from there the water will seep into the sponge, and then you can see little holes and gaps on the ground. That's where the humidity will comes up into the nest. But this is a brand new nest, so the sponge here is dry. I need to wet it a bit. So that the water can absorb in. Okay. I push this right in. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to put a barrier at the top here. Okay, this is the opening where you can open and also to feed the ants. There's also a bigger opening here, but you need to have a barrier, and usually ant keepers will use powder for this. You mix powder with alcohol and you put it on. So when the alcohol dries up, the powder sticks on. You cannot put water. Once you put water, the powder sticks. It doesn't break off. It doesn't break off, the ants will climb out. Okay, so actually I already pre-mixed some into this bottle, but it's easier to put it out into this other one. Okay, stir it. Okay, and then just lace it at the side. Okay, so it's done. You see the powder? Once it's dried up, it's like that. Okay. Alright, this is actually a water tower. The water will be on the mesh here, and they can drink water from there. So they need water to drink. They are living things. Don't forget that. Okay. So now the colony. Now what I need to do is to remove the cotton. Try to put them inside. And hopefully they shift. Okay, and you just wait for them to shift. So the entrance is actually on this side, over here. I will just keep the chambers for this one first. I'll block here. Once the colony is bigger, then we can open for them to have more chambers. Okay, so after a few days, the colony has shifted inside. Okay, you can see they are over here. The queen is there with the workers. This is a very new colony. There's only about maybe 10 workers there, so they are still very small and young, but this colony, this species can go to a couple of hundred to a couple of thousand. Okay, one thing about carpenter ants is you need to feed them with sugar. Okay, eat sugar and protein. So make sure you have that for their diet. So that's how I prepare the sugar. I mix sugar with honey for them. So you can see here. Let me off the light. Yep. And I pump honey into this syringe. And you just literally squeeze it in. Ah, it's too bright. Okay. So basically just mixed it like that. Okay. Just put it inside.